We made it. Waterfall. That was a bit of a scary bit there. Day 2. Going down for some breakfast. Oh.
Going out.
Going up for some breakfast. It's breakfast. Yeah. Finished breakfast. We're just waiting for the guy, aren't we?
Yeah.
Said he'd be here at 8 a.m.
We're going for a hike.
Yeah, it's going to take us hiking
That's a cool
to
trip.
the drop-off point and then
Look at the Jeep design.
the beach.
Cool.
Yeah. Are you ready for the day?
Yeah.
Lots of hiking.
My knees are gonna hurt.
He's just on time, as we were going to say if he's going to be on time or not. So, all good. Hello.
Laughing. We just like ran the corner.
Oh.
C'est la démonstration de c'est les chewing gum local.
So this one is the betel nut.
Yeah. C'est les noix d'arec. Et c'est les palmiers comme ici.
So cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ça, c'est les...
You can see everything from here.
Yeah.
We're so far up now. So this is where it starts, right?
Yeah.
We're at the start point now.
Hi, Nathan. Erica, what's your name?
Jake.
Jake. Erica and Jake, nice to meet you too.
You want a walking stick? I'm gonna get one. That's how you
I might pick this. I might pick this one.
Yeah.
It's kind of
Hey, we're good.
maybe.
Ano, dun na sa baba?
How many times a day do you do this?
This one?
Yeah.
Not very often.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Once a day.
Not really.
Ah,
It's just now that it's a holiday season for the Filipinos
okay.
from the Philippines. So yeah, once a day for these 4 days, 3 days.
Yeah.
But when it's not when it's slow season, maybe once a month or
Oh, she's a celebrity.
Oh,
this one's a piece enough.
what if we're celebrities as well?
Grandview, Banaue, Grandview.
That's cool. Nice view. What do you think of this?
It's very cool.
Yeah, such a nice view, isn't it?
Pang Emily Dahnat, Waterfall. May agree. Ay.
So cool. Such good views.
Ano kayo naka-akit?
That's cool.
Tapos pa.
May daanan din sa taas. Pero I don't recommend kasi medyo ano siya. Mas pangit pa kaysa pangit. Listen! Listen! Natural.
Oh, nice.
And it's kinda cold.
Cold is good.
Huh? Sorry?
Cold is good.
Yeah.
So hot today. Good day for hiking, isn't it? Good day for hiking.
Tawagan ko lang yung kapatid ko.
Sige, sige.
Currently, I don't know how far we are into the hike.
Not that far in.
Right, you're gonna struggle, aren't you?
Yeah. Good view though.
Yeah. It's
Although
worth it.
most of the time I'm like looking for.
I mean, we'll
like,
have to go all the way down there.
yeah. He was like, "Are you scared of heights?" I was like, "He was like, I do. Are you scared of heights?" I was like, "No." So apparently we're gonna be walking through that.
Yeah. To go to the blue house there. Blue house and down. So the white rock, just as the front of the white rock. Yeah. And, yes, and that's the one that I was saying that it has a very great view and nice view. The top there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we will then do that. So we're gonna go straight to the waterfall.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Can't complain about the views. Every place is good to take a picture, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's cool. Hello, dog. Good job we got these sticks as well. Nice views. We're getting closer to the waterfall.
Yeah, I can hear it.
It's down here. And we've climbed.
Around there, I think.
Well, we went across here and now we're here. So yeah, it's been good so far.
Yeah.
Challenging, but good.
Yeah.
We're so close now. We made it. Waterfall.
Now we have to go all the way back.
You gonna go for a dip?
Are you having a dip?
I don't know.
I want to just put my head in the water. So I guess we're going in. It's so cold.
very nice to be here.
Nice and refreshing. I just want to sit in it.
Yeah.
Whoa! Oh, it's cold.
Oh, that's cold.
I need to get in properly. Whoa! Oh, it's cold. I can't even see what's going on.
We've had been just sitting here and taking it in.
Yeah. Wow, the waves are big.
Gonna head back and we're gonna have to hike back up. But yeah, that was refreshing. Going in the water, it was super cold there, but so nice. We needed that. The stairs are so steep here as well. I'm having a quick break because it's more exhausting going up than down, and these stairs are pretty steep, so definitely need a bit more patience and just more time to relax in certain sections. This is the checkpoint.
It's the middle.
Quite far to go, but we'll get there in the end. It's time to head back. Let's see how long this takes us. How are you feeling?
Tired.
We've done that part now.
Blue house.
Are you ready for the last bit?
No. It's like all the way up there.
We'll be stopping a lot, won't we?
Yeah, well, it's hot.
It's like the main bit of the hike done. And now there's only a bit left to go.
Two hands, the middle or center, always make it like this.
You should do it stronger.
Oh, okay. Kan satu bata.
Oh,
You do that?
Kalau lejut tu ada apa tak?
You just do it after?
Looking back, it's not exactly the best rice making from me, or like pounding of it. I didn't. What was I doing there?
I was like, why are you not going for it?
I didn't know what he was doing.
He was showing you.
No, like before when
Oh.
I went to it. It's rubbish though. I wasn't using all my body as well. I was just using like. But yeah, he must do that every day. Well, the hike is finished. He's got to go uphill. Steep hills to go up to finish it off,
Yeah,
and then we'll be
this one is really steep.
the last workout. There's an uphill battle at the end, but we're finished. Finally. It's been a long day.
What time is it?
I don't know. I don't know what time it is. Let's see.
3:30.
3:30. So we've been out for ages, really.
Started at 8.
Yeah. But yeah, it's been a fun one, but very, very tiring one. And at least we got this balcony. We can chill here later. Ah, it's nice. We got lechon, what? Kawali. So lechon and
Yeah.
with vegetables basically.
This one's like fried rather than roasted lechon.
And then this is
Beef nilaga.
beef milaga.
It's like beef broth. I made it before.
Yeah, I
We've
think
got
so. Well,
mango rice.
have some lechon with the rice. That skin's really good.
I don't know how they make it so crispy.
Yeah, it's great.
Well, actually, they deep fry it.
Yeah, it said deep fried, didn't it?
Yeah.
And they make it super crunchy.
Yeah.
That beef is really good.
That's what
This
gives
just falls apart.
it good. It's doing me good.
Wicked. And we have to be up for 8 AM tomorrow for another hike. But hopefully this one won't be as difficult as the one that we did. We'll have to see about that. How are you feeling today?
I'm a bit old. It's okay. This will help me.
We got corned beef and some longanisa, eggs, and you got some pancakes and everything else.
I love the pancakes.
It's been a good couple of days in this hotel,
Yeah.
in this room. Really nice, amazing views. But we're gonna have to say goodbye because we're gonna be going back on the coach later today at 5 PM back to Manila. But anyway, we're gonna be going on a hike in a bit to end the day, well, end this trip, and it should be good. Gringo.
So I'll just fill up gas here. Wait.
I don't see those like glass bottles around now.
What
Not in the
is
UK.
it? No.
They're like massive.
You can only get them here. Say hi. Alright, are you shy? Say hi to them.
It's a crazy view.
Oh, so high up. Your ear's funny.
Yeah, my ears are weird.
It's because we're so high up. Feel a bit.
Yeah. We're at a viewpoint right now, just looking out. So cool. Nice view.
It's green. We only plant once a year. So,
And you harvest the rice?
yes, once
Well,
a year.
when does it?
June and July.
Oh, okay.
We wait for 6 months after planting.
Yeah.
A lot of recycled.
Yeah. Using a lot of bottles as decoration. It's quite nice. We don't do that in the UK.
Yeah.
Sure.
na. Ngane? Oh. This one is the moma. Locally we call it moma. They are the people here, local people here are doing that makes their mouth red.
Oh, that
the red
thing.
This one.
Okay. Christmas tree. That's cool. They're so creative with how they use bottles and tires. Yeah, that's how you recycle. Yeah, we never do anything like that in the UK. Be creative with recycling. It's colourful as well, so it's quite nice. It's a Mountain Dew, isn't it? The mountain,
I think so.
that bottle.
More plastic, but they colored it.
They're like animals now. Animals. Coffee beans from this.
Yeah.
Coffee bean tree.
Tigumpon turbo.
See, look, they paint the trees as well. They paint all this stuff. It looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are so creative in the Philippines, especially these kinds of places. They just use whatever they have and make it more colourful. It's amazing.
Creativity came from.
Yours? It's so cool. Flowers out of bottles. They keep making amazing things with bottles. They just know what to do. You don't need much to be creative. Bottles. That's one way to advertise Mountain Dew as well, just by using it as decoration. Church over there.
To ang hinog. This is right. That the local is a native berries that we have in their locality. It's too sour when it's green, but this one is a little bit sweet. Try it, Ross. One more.
It's quite nice.
It's nice.
Yeah. It's like a grape, to be honest.
Yeah.
Tastes like grape.
Yeah. So it's always we step at the center and a little focus to where we step.
It's a bit narrower then.
Yeah, and when we take photos, we have to stop walking.
So we are going now to start walking. So our pathway is around 12 kilometers. So we have to walk.
Yeah, so this is a bit narrower than yesterday when we were hiking. So more focus needed. It's so bright here. So colourful. Well, at least this one is a bit. It's not as difficult, is it? Well, not at the moment. And it's just a bit narrower when you're crossing.
When we were kids, we used this as emergency. When we got
Oh,
to
yeah, okay.
Is it soft? Oh yeah.
it's more
It's quite. It's
Toilet.
better than toilet paper.
It's natural.
But
Yeah.
now they have tissue.
Yeah.
The plant there has purple
Oh yeah.
stems. That's the brown rice.
Oh, that's so
Okay.
lovely.
So the water increases and it reaches that border.
Oh.
And started with rice terraces. That's why it's damaged.
We've got sunflowers. Sun. They made a sun out of a tire. So yeah, that's super cool.
When there's a stone in the rice field that cannot be moved.
Oh,
So they put mud and plant the spring.
oh, that's smart.
Such a nice place. Banaue in general is so nice. Everywhere you look, you want to take a photo. One of those places you need to go for the views. You take it all in. There's so much to see. That was a bit of a scary bit then.
Huh?
Bit of a scary bit. Arrived at the hot spring. It's a bit too hot to be going in the hot spring though. It's way too hot.
It's agréable. It's good.
What? Oh, it's quite nice. I thought it'd be hotter than this.
No, they put some.
Yeah. Just right temperature really.
Yeah.
Because any hotter, I'd be like, oh, I need to get in the river. Why are you getting hurt?
The rocks.
I think I'm used to it from yesterday.
That's nice.
Is it?
Yeah. That's how cold the water is from the cold spring. If you touch it.
I'll touch it and see. Let's see how cold this is.
They got it from the river.
Oh, that's hot. That's cold. That's cold. I want to go in there later though.
Oh, that's nice.
Ah, that's nice. You feeling alright?
Yeah, that is sweet.
I could get used to this. Just sitting around. It's comfy as well.
Yeah. Got the hot spring. It's hot.
Becoming warmer now.
Yeah, warmer. Oh yeah.
Really hot.
This is hot.
Here, try it here.
It's really. Oh yeah. What?
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Ah, that's nice.
Yeah.
It's not too bad actually. Bit free. Whoa. It's hot in here.
Yeah, that's why they got out. They were like, oh, it's too hot.
Too hot. Really hot.
Oh, it's quite nice where I am. Whee! Oh, it's like I'm having a nice hot bath.
Yeah,
It's nice.
it's quite nice.
Ah,
Cold water. So cold in here. It's ice cold. More cold than the waterfall yesterday. This is an ice bath. This is an ice bath. I don't know how long it'll last in this. It'll be frozen. Oh! Oh, it's actually alright though.
yeah.
Meditating it. Very refreshed after that.
The cold spring. Wow.
Hot spring and cold spring.
It's a river, really.
River.
It's a cold river.
But the hot spring was nice, and then going in the cold river was even nicer. I feel like my headache's gone as well that I had. So it's very good.
It's magic water.
I mean, cold water in general. It's very good. I feel so much.
Last day here.
Yeah.
Is it good?
It's very good, yeah. It's time to hike back now. Watercress vegetables.
Yeah. It could be for salad.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah,
they put
yeah.
that in
Or-
salad.
Wow.
Yeah.
They just put it on your salad.
Want it for salad? Yeah. That was the other way we could go down, but we'd thought we'd take the easier route because we did a lot yesterday, and I'm glad we did, to be honest, because that looks like so many stairs. I'd rather be on this side doing the easier part than that. We went up way too many stairs yesterday and down. We've made it back. Just one hike up there to go, and then that's it. Trying to burger in the Philippines. Well, we weren't going to try burgers in the Philippines, but we might as well try one. Yeah. I mean, it might be nice. It might be nice.
Pwede maki-friend.
This is the job.
This is Elisa Madiwo of Hapao, Hung Duan. I'm a tour guide, and I would like to invite guests from other places to visit our rice terraces and the hot spring. We have beautiful mountains, the river, and of course the Mount Napulawan, the highest mountain. Thank you.
Yeah. So yeah, come here and yeah, you can have a tour of the place. It's amazing. There's some beef Shanghai and some rice. That should be good.
Nice meal before we go.
Very crispy and nice. We've arrived at the bus terminal to head back to Manila. And how do you feel now?
Yeah, I feel good.
8-hour journey back. Last view of Banaue. So we're gonna end up going back on the same bus as what we came here on. I remember the bus. I remember this bus.
The same drivers.
Yeah, same drivers, same bus. So should be fine. 8 hours or maybe a bit less. Because they did get us there early, didn't they?
Yeah.
But yeah, that is the Banaue trip finished, isn't it?
We've done beaches, we've done waterfalls, we've done rice terraces and mountains.